Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Bigin CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you unlink or remove your Zoom account from your Bigin CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove or unlink your Zoom account from your Bigin CRM? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, it's pretty common to switch over to different softwares. So maybe you want to go ahead and unlink your Zoom account. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Bigin CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Bigin CRM, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to unlink or remove your Zoom account, what you're going to do is click on this gear icon here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see this drop-down menu in gray, and you want to click on this button here, toppings. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see a lot of different integrations available, but you want to scroll down until you see Zoom meetings. It has the blue Zoom logo. Go ahead and click on manage. All right, once you do that, you're going to see the Zoom meeting settings, and in order to remove this from your Bigin CRM, click on deactivate. It's in red. All right, once you do that, you're going to get this warning. Are you sure you want to deactivate Zoom meeting integration? Go ahead and click on deactivate. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now my Zoom meeting has been removed from my Bigin CRM. So now if I'm going to be setting up an event, I'm not going to have the option to add a Zoom meeting. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to unlink or remove your Zoom account from your Bigin CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.